China moves to stabilize capital market, improve confidence. China has sent a clear signal that more efforts will be made to stabilize the capital market and improve investor confidence. Policymakers were briefed on the operation of the capital market and considerations for related work at a State Council meeting on Monday. The country will further improve the capital market's fundamental system, pay more attention to maintaining a dynamic balance between investment and financing, enhance the quality and investment value of listed companies, increase flows of medium and long-term funds into the market, and strengthen the market's inherent stability, according to the meeting. Inflation was cooler in the December quarter than any other in the past 3 years, but still too hot for the reserve banks to consider cutting the official cash rate. Consumer price data for the December quarter was welcome news at a headline level, with annual inflation now at 4.7%, its lowest rate since June 2021. Quarterly prices rose at the slowest pace since the inflation crisis kicked off, and the number of items in the CPI basket that had falling prices was the highest in 3 years. Anthony Albanese has hinted at changes to the Stage 3 tax cuts. What were they supposed to be? Prime Minister Anthony Albanese has been talking a lot about Stage 3 tax cuts this week, hinting that lower-income earners may see some tax relief. That may mean tweaking the third stage of a major taxation reform scheme, which was initially brought in by the previous coalition government. We're still not sure what this will mean because it's due to be discussed in a cost of living meeting on Wednesday afternoon. Woman arrested after police found $2,500 worth of Stanley cups in her car. The craze for Stanley stainless steel drinking cups reached new levels last week when a woman was arrested and accused of stealing 65 of them, worth almost $2,500, from a store in California. Police in Roseville, in Placer County, northeast of Sacramento, said Sunday that they were called Wednesday to a report of a theft from a store on Stanford Ranch Road in the city. Money growth and the post-pandemic inflation surge, updating the evidence. The post-pandemic inflation surge confounded policymakers. This column examines the link between money growth and inflation, and finds that the strength of that link depends on the inflation regime. It is 1-to-1 when inflation is high, and virtually non-existent when inflation is low. Excluding countries with very high inflation rates, the link that was clearly apparent across countries when inflation flared up in 2021 and 2022 lost statistical and economic significance thereafter. Thank you.